Guys, so today we went hunting on one of Hunter's spots, and he told us there was a bunch of mallards in it. You know, so anyways, I know it's kind of after the fact, but I just came down here to shoot Hunter's spot, and we wound up setting up with all of my decoys and my Mojo, so it was all mallard stuff. And anyways, we left with a few. It was pretty fun. We had a whole lot of groups fly by a lot. We had a couple try to land on us, but you know, make sure you go ahead and drop this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll get into it. Mm-hmm. Man, that was pretty solid. Mm-hmm. Okay, shot there. What was that? Mallards. For real? Mm-hmm. For real? Yeah. What? I heard mallards. What? That way. We've seen like 20 or 30 of them this morning. Yeah, for sure. I'll move this other tree so I can kind of see. Honey, come. Heel. Sit. Bubba. Yeah. Stay. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Oh, they're gonna lie. Just be patient. It's still beginning, they didn't even start it. I went to. Hey, them are coming down. They're going down there. Mm-hmm. We might just have to shoot them while they're on the fly.
could have shot him. That's on it.
No. The freaking tree limb.
Is that what I shot?
Yep. Honey, sit. Stay. I was waiting on somebody to tell me shoot.
I was waiting on y'all to shoot. That was all this was in one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what's up? Hey, right here.
Watch him.
Shot that one. Hey, did you see that one behind you? Get it, brother.
Did I shoot?
My gun wouldn't go off. There you go.
I got the one in front of us, didn't I?
Yeah. Hey, Huntley. Does Huntley got it?
Yeah, honey. Good boy.
I think that gun finish wouldn't go off.
Son, this thing about hit me in the face.
Yeah, I know you could have caught it.
It was coming at me, and literally, bro, I done this. I had my gun up and I said, that's all right. Hunter said, boom, and I said, all right.
Dude, that rider's got me shaking.
Huntley, come.
No. Bro, I had one of them ducks under dead
Come.
rocks.
Come.
There was them two, when they was coming down, there was two of them, they was right on each other. And I
Oh,
was
yeah.
feet on it, I was right in between them. I went to pull the trigger,
Yeah,
my trigger was full. I had no safety to it.
Huntley, heel. Sit. That's a good boy. Face this way. Good boy.
Hey, at least it wasn't a bust.
That's right.
Hey, see if we gotta get mine.
Huh?
See if we gotta get mine on the channel.
You're gonna have to throw something at it. I think I at least got one on the Tacticam.
Hey, did you see the one coming Mach 4 straight towards you?
Yeah. Son, that one that you shot was just stupid. He took and just circled.
I shot him over this thing right here. Like, I blew out this
Yeah.
entire section of weeds
He's-
and shot him and dropped him.
He said they.
Right here beside us.
He said they can't hit me, bro. I had to move. It landed right here, Hunter. I took and pulled my gun up, and I was about to shoot, and the sucker started falling. Look, Tyler, I done this. I said,
Could've caught him.
well, I had both hands on my gun.
All of a sudden, that duck started falling towards you.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
He's out there. You folded him, son.
Yeah, dude. I was going to bust him up.
Yeah, I was like, this is an easy one here. Tyler shot, and I said, too easy.
Y'all know this is my first private hole duck so far?
Shoot.
Yeah.
No, it ain't.
No, I'm being for real, I think.
No, you've shot ducks with me and Graham.
Third hole.
Before Tyler decided he wanted to show up. Showed up late. Me and Hunter's already shot a limit in both.
I was saying that day I'd been up for like all night for the past 3 nights.
Listen, bro, it would have paid off for you to get there early. Is all I gotta say.
Hey, where's that one that was dead over here?
I didn't see one fall over there.
Y'all didn't?
Uh-uh.
Alright.
I mean, not saying there isn't one over there, but I didn't see him fall.
I mean, we got 3 ducks down.
Everybody's got one?
Yeah. Hunter shot the one that decided he was gonna freaking headbutt me. You folded that sucker, and I got this one straight out of head.
I know some suicide bombs.
Mm-hmm.
Easy.
Yeah. Damn, Bubba. That's a good boy. Go get it up. Go get it.
I want to get mine, but I'm scared to walk out in the Mallard flow.
Yeah. Can you see him?
He's over there somewhere.
Mine's out here somewhere too.
Oh, yours is out there too?
It's, well, it's to the left, but if you, I see. You got something to throw here. Huntley, come. Huntley, come. Sit. Huntley. Yeah, he get him. Dead. Good boy, Bubba. Got a hen? Yeah.
Oh, big hand too, boy.
Hold. Hold. Tell him give.
Good boy.
You're supposed to let him get it to your hand.
Playing, boys.
For real? I said it kind of sarcastically because I was like, he would have been way more excited. Huh? Right over here somewhere. Honey, come. Ah, come here. If y'all see ducks, holler at me and I'll stop. Eek. Mm-hmm. He's still alive. Yeah, he's right here. Huntley dead. Huntley, let's get him. Let's get him up. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Hunt him up, Bubba. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Get him, Bubba. Get it, Bubba. Dead. Behind you, Bubba. To the right. Get him, Bubba. Get him, Bubba. Get him, Bubba. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Good. Heel. Hold. 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 Give. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Alright. Well, so far, Hunter's got one, I've got one, and Tyler's got one. Huh?
You said Tyler's got one, Tyler's got one.
Oh, well, Hunter's got one, Chandler's got one, and Tyler's got one. I'm Chandler. I gotta remember that sometimes. Whew. Alright, so, anyways, mine was crippled. It was a drake. All of them were wood ducks. Hunter, you got a drake, didn't you? Mm-hmm. Okay. So Hunter's got a drake wood duck, and Tyler's got a hen. Mine was the only one that was...
Transvestite.
Huh?
Got a transgender hen.
Yeah. So, of course, I shoot them and they're always crippled. But anyway, so we've got 6 Mallard floater decoys and 1 Mallard Mojo going. I don't know if you can see it over there, kind of flapping. But we've got the decoys kind of scattered out through here. And we're on this is a private land hunt this morning. But we saw a good bit of ducks. Hopefully I've got at least me shooting that one on the Tacticam. But none of them really wanted to commit except for this group that we shot. So anyway, that's it, I guess. I don't really know what else to say at this point.
I'm gonna wait on the mallard and then this one.
Yeah, okay. So, yeah, Hunter says there's enough mallards to feed a village. So, we're gonna.
There's enough mallards in here for all of us to limit out.
He said there's enough for all of us to limit out. I don't know how good a shooting we got to do. Huh? Yeah, you got one last time.
Where?
Last time we went and Graham. No, that was this year. You shot a limit this year too.
No, I'm talking about mallards.
Oh, I thought you were talking about wood ducks.
Oh, yeah, I thought my limit was.
Oh yeah. So now we're just sitting waiting on mallards. So we'll see when they get here. Yeah.
Good deal.
All right. So we just got out of the hole. The mallards never came, but we ended up with 3, which I guess would have been a one-man limit. But everybody got one, so we're all pretty happy. You know, Tyler's just he's gotta kill the female. He's just.
I'm a lady killer.
Yeah. So anyway, but today's been a real good hunt.
Show my swing.
You know, Tyler fabricated his own swing sling this morning.
Took him 2 hours.
Yeah. And,
You'll take.
And Tyler, you don't really see this on camera, but Tyler never shows up on time, like ever. So if you can't get here on time, just get here when you can. But anyway, so today's been a real good hunt. Hunter's out here with his frat boy gun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We really pick on Hunter, but no harm intended, but all of it.
Still can't shoot.
Yeah. So Hunter's got foul intentions. He's a bad boy.
Frat boy.
That's right.
Yeah. He's a bad boy, frat boy.
So anyway, guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one.